Hello, and welcome to 3D Jewelry Claim, the magic of 3D CAD. In this demo, we will be showing all the capabilities of 3D Jewelry Claim. We begin by bringing in a ring, just a band, with a stone set on the surface. We're going to select on the stone, then select on the surface, click on Jewelry, click on Pave, and we're going to change the gap from 0.2 to 0.1 distance between the stones. The minimum size we're going to leave at 1 millimeter, and for viewing purposes we're going to change the height of the prongs to 0.1. We're going to leave the diameter at 0.5 and click OK. 3D Jewelry Claim will automatically set the stones, the prongs, as well as the cutters. In a matter of minutes, the entire ring is completely done. If we turn the stone off, we see the prongs. With it, we have sections as well as the tool, which are the seats that we can just cut out in the ring. If you bring the stones back, we decide that we want to change the size of the prongs, we can simply select the prong. All we need to do is select one prong, and by a simple pull we can change the size of each prong. We can make them bigger or smaller. Next, let's bring in a ring. We have the shank. We have many folders with different shanks, baskets. So we have this shank, we go to file and we bring in a head. Let's bring in a princess head. And right now the ring is too big for that head. So what we can do is grab on the side surfaces of the prong, select both sides, and click on pull, and we just simply pull, make it wider. This allows us to adjust all four prongs at the same time. Let's say the side reaches a point and the customer does not want it to come to a point. She prefers a rounded corner. You can just grab the surface and pull it up. This will allow you to fillet the edge. Let me show you a signet ring. Another feature of 3D Jewelry Claim is the shell feature. By selecting on shell and selecting on the surface, we can shell out in a complete ring or a partial part of the ring. I'm going to select 1.2 millimeters and click on the surface. Now it has created a 1.2 shell. So all the walls from the inside are 1.2 millimeters thick. Now I have created this eternity bezel band, and let's say that the top walls are too thin. What I can do is I can select the bottom surfaces, click on my pull button, and just pull it down. Since we are on the pattern mode, I can make adjustments to all the bezels, baskets at the same time. If the customer would like to put a stone in this side, we can just click the inside circle and just pull it, make it smaller. We can grab the outer walls and pull it out to give it more surface for the setter. We can even choose the corners and fillet them. Next, we have a solitaire ring with a channel diamond on the side. Let's say I want to get rid of these fillet corners. I can just choose the corners and click fill. What this does is it brings it back to a sharp corner. Next, the channel on the side has 4 diamonds. Let's say we only want 3. We can just click on the inner circle, press fill, click on the side wall, grab it and just pull it up. This allows us to make quick adjustments with just a simple button. We can grab the inner corners and fillet the entire bottom of the channel. Next, I'm going to go look at the top, and let's say, or actually let me move the channel. Let's say the channel is too high and the customer prefers it lower. I can grab that side surface and use that line as my guideline and bring the channel down, the entire channel. Let's say they want a channel on the top. I can grab the top basket, the bezel, grab the sidewall, pull it out. Now I'm going to select that surface where I want the pavage set. I'm going to copy it, and I'm going to make it a little bit smaller, bring it in. Now I'm going to take that and pull it down to create my little channel. I can grab that inner wall if it's too small and pull it out. And now I'm going to bring in a stone. I'm going to pull this stone up and manually adjust it to where I want to put the stone. Now, I'm going to select the stone as well as the surface and click on Pave, and I'm going to adjust the gap again to 0.1 and the height to 0.1 and the diameter to 0.4 and click OK. This will automatically set Pave all around the stone. If we turn the stones off and turn on the tool function, that shows you all the cutters. Now, this was a design that I had created. It has 26 of them going around. Let's say I don't want 26. Let's say I want 12. By clicking 12, I can automatically just make that adjustments. So for now, let's go back to 26. I can also reduce and maximize the size of those balls.